Hello everyone, so for this video I'm doing another 3 looks on palette series. I'm using ZOEVA Warm Spectrum palette. If you wanna know what 3 looks that I came up with this palette, keep on watching. For the look number 1, I wanna start from the eyes. I wanna take this eyeshadow base in the shade Skin Tone and just put it all over the lid to the brow bone to prime the eyes. Next is eyeshadow. I wanna take ZOEVA Warm Spectrum palette. I wanna take this shade and just put it all over my eyelid to the brow bone to set the eyeshadow base so it doesn't crease throughout the day. Then after that, I wanna take this orange matte shade and just put it all over my crease as my transition color. Then after that, I wanna take this shimmer shade and just put it all over my eyelid as a lid color. After that, for the outer corner, I wanna take this dark brown matte shade and just pull it to darkening up the outer corner. And after that, I wanna take this The Body Shop ID Final in the shade black and just put it on my timeline. Next is lashes. I wanna curl my lashes. Then after that, I put some mascara on my upper lashes. Moving on to the face, I already put foundation, concealer and powder. I wanna take this Wet n Wild Color Icon Bronzer in the shade Ticket to Bronzer to bronzing on my face. Next is blush. I wanna use the Body Shop Makeup blush in the shade Coral and just put it all over my cheek to bring some color to my cheek. Next, for the highlighter, I wanna take the Body Shop Highlighting Dome in the shade Highlight and just put it on the place that I wanna highlight. Back to the eyes, I wanna take this matte orange shade again and just put it along the lower lash line. After that, I'm taking this dark brown matte shade and just put it on the outer corner of lower lash line. Then after that, I'm taking this shade and just put it on my inner corner as a highlight. Next is eyeliner. I wanna take the same ID Final and just put it on my waterline. For the lashes, I wanna take the same mascara and just put it on my lower lashes. Moving on to the lips, I wanna take Bare Minerals Moxie Lip Gloss in the shade Life of the Party and just put it all over my lips, and that's it for this look number 1. Okay, for the look number 2, I wanna start from the eyes and I wanna get straight into the palette. I wanna take this gray matte shade and just put it all over my crease as my transition color. Then after that, I'm taking this shimmery pink shade and just put it all over my eyelid as a lid color. Then after that, to darkening up the outer corner, I wanna take this purple shade and just put it on the outer corner and blending it with the crease. Next, for the eyeliner, I wanna take the black shade and just put it to make wing liner. Then after that, I'm taking the Body Shop ID Finer in the shade black and just put it on my tight line. Next for the lashes, I wanna start from curling my lashes. Then after that, I'm taking the mascara and just put it on my upper lashes. Moving on to the face, I wanna take my matte bronzer and just kinda contouring, kinda warm up my face. Next for the blush, I wanna take this Tarte Amazonian Clay blush in the shade Fearless and just put it on my cheek to bring some color to my cheek. Next for the highlight, I wanna use the Body Shop Shimmer Waves in the shade Blush and just put it on the place that I wanna highlight. Back to the eyes, I wanna take this shade and just put it along the lower lash line. After that, I wanna mix these two shades and just put it on my inner corner as a highlight. Next for the eyeliner, I wanna take the same ID Finer and just put it on my waterline. For the lashes, I wanna take the same mascara and just put it on my lower lashes. Moving on to the lips, I wanna use the Body Shop Velvet Stick in the shade Coral and just put it all over my lips, and that's it for the look number 2. For the look number 3, I wanna start from the eyes again. I wanna just get straight into the palette. I already prime and conceal my eye. I wanna use this matte shade and just put it all over my crease as my transition color. Then after that, I wanna take this shimmer shade and just put it all over my eyelid as a lid color. After that, I wanna use this matte dark brown shade and just put it on the outer corner and blending to the crease to darkening up the look. Next for the eyeliner, I wanna use this black shade again and just make wing liner with this. After that, I'm taking the same ID Finer and just put it on my tight line. Next for lashes, I wanna curl my lashes. Then after that, I just put some mascara on my upper lashes. Now moving on to the face, I already put foundation, concealer and powder. Now I wanna bronze my face using e.l.f. bronzing and blush in the shade Antigua and just kind of bronzing my face. Next for the blush, I'm taking the blush side and just put it on the apple of my cheek to bring some color to my cheek. Next for the highlight, I wanna use liquid highlighter and just highlighting my face. I wanna put it on the place that I wanna highlight. Back to the eyes, I wanna use this matte shade again and just put it along the lower lash line. Then after that, I wanna mix these two shades and just put it on my inner corner as a highlight. Next for the eyeliner, I wanna use the same ID Finer and just put it on my waterline. Next for lashes, I just put some mascara on my lower lashes. Moving on to the lips, I use lip tint to all over my lips, and that's it for these 3 looks on palette. bye guys, see you next video.